Yesterday, when I was young, the taste of life was sweet as rain upon my tongue. I tasted life as in the world full is gay. The way they embrace and meet the sick tender pain. The thousand dream I dream, the splendid things I love. I always build the trust. Awake and sitting sun, I live by night that shine, the naked light of the day, and only now I say how the years ran away. Yesterday, when I was young, so many summer reading and so many reward pleasure made store for me, and so much pain that dazzle eyes refuse to see. I ran so fast the time, and you that doesn't run out. I never stopped to think what life was all about, and every conversation I can now recall concern itself with me and nothing else at all.
Hi, ate. Happy New Year, ate. Halika.
Yesterday, the moon was full, and every Christmas day brought something new to do. I used my magic aids, as if it were a wand, and never saw the waste and emptiness beyond. The games of love I play with arrogance and pride, and every flame I left to quickly die. The friend I made all saints somehow to drift away, and only I am left on stage to end the play. There are so many songs, and we that won't be sung. I felt bitter taste of tears on my God. It's not for me to pay for yesterday, but I was young.
Hindi ko pa mag-practice eh. Hindi ko pa abot.
Tapos pina-record mo.
Tapos pinarecord ko. Dapat